Hello everyone. Welcome you all to PYQ Diary. In this session, we will discuss about Odisha B.Ed Science Stream 20 biology questions. So let's begin the session. Question 21. The organelle that protects the cell from oxygen toxicity is, the choices are A. Lysosome, B. Peroxisome, C. Quantasome, and D. Oxysome. The correct answer is option B. Peroxisome. Question 22. Mitoribosome belongs to, the choices are A. 70S, B. 60S, C. 55S, and D. 28S. The correct answer is option C. 55S. Question 23. Smallest free-living organism is, the choices are A. Virus, B. Mycoplasma, C. Diatom, and D. Sporozoans. The correct answer is option B. Mycoplasma. Question 24. The correct order of increasing molecular weight of cell components is, the choices are A. Adenine, greater than ATP, greater than NAD, greater than DNA, B. ATP, greater than adenine, greater than NAD, greater than DNA, C. DNA, greater than NAD, greater than ATP, greater than adenine, and D. NAD, greater than DNA, greater than ATP, greater than adenine. The correct answer is option E. Adenine, greater than ATP, greater than NAD, greater than DNA. Question 25. The term new systematics was given by, the choices are A. C. Linnaeus, B. C. Darwin, C. J. Huxley, and D. John Ray. The correct answer is option C. J. Huxley. Question 26. Riccia is a type of, the choices are A. Algae, B. Fungi, C. Bryophyta, and D. Pteridophyta. The correct answer is option C. Bryophyta. Question 27. Which is not a true fish? The choices are A. Silverfish, B. Dogfish, C. Seahorse, and D. Mosquito fish. The correct answer is option A. Silverfish. Question 28. An example of low-tech water body is, the choices are A. Pond, B. River, C. Lake, and D. Reservoir. The correct answer is option B. River. Question 29. First International Conference on Environment was held at, the choices are A. Rio de Janeiro, B. Stockholm, C. Johannesburg, and D. Berlin. The correct answer is option B. Stockholm. Question 30. World Water Resource Day is celebrated on, the choices are A. January 26, B. April 26, C. February 22, and D. March 22. The correct answer is option D. March 22. Question 31. What percentage of energy is passed on to each trophic level? The choices are A. 10%, B. 50%, C. 90%, and D. 100%. The correct answer is option A. 10%. Question 32. Blue baby syndrome disease is caused due to, the choices are A. Phosphate pollution, B. Sulfate pollution, C. Chloride pollution, and D. Nitrate pollution. The correct answer is option D. Nitrate pollution. Question 33. Which of the following is a non-symbiotic aerobic nitrogen fixer? The choices are A. Azotobacter, B. Clostridium, C. Rhizobium, and D. Azolla. The correct answer is option A. Azotobacter. Question 34. When the pollen tube enters through the micropyle of the ovule, the fertilization is said to be, the choices are A. Porogamous, B. Chalazogamous, C. Mesogamous, and D. Embryogamous. The correct answer is option A. Porogamous. Question 35. Heart rot disease in plants is caused due to the deficiency of, the choices are A. Calcium, B. Iron, C. Boron, and D. Magnesium. The correct answer is option C. Boron. Question 36. The vitamin having cobalt cyanide linkage is, the choices are A. Vitamin B1, B. Vitamin B2, C. Vitamin B6, and D. Vitamin B12. The correct answer is option D, vitamin B12. Question 37. Sodium reabsorption in the DCT and in the cortical portions of collecting system is accelerated by the secretion of. The choices are A, ADH, B, renin, C, aldosterone, and D, adrenaline. The correct answer is option C, aldosterone. Question 38. The medullary inspiratory center is always under direct. The choices are A, chemical control, B, physical control, C, nervous control, and D, mechanical control. The correct answer is option A, chemical control. Question 39. The wavelength of light least effective in photosynthesis is. The choices are A, red, B, blue, C, yellow, and D, green. The correct answer is option D, green. Question 40. Which of the following is not a part of photochemical smog? The choices are A, SPM, B, PAN, C, O3, and D, NO2. The correct answer is option A, SPM.